smart. Go around the signals. Go around the gates, dumbass. Stupid people. It would have been nice if they got hit. I don't like that. That would have been good. These guys are just going to back up couple to what's there.
5, 3. I want to get a stop for them.
Little do these people know in front of me.
Guy goes around the gate so you can make it to the liquor store.
Bring them back.
Listen to KLove.com and the KLove app.
6 to couple. There'll be 64 cars going to Camden.
3. 2 cars. And 1 couple. And rock.
Far enough.
Far enough, 3013. 3013, 3 steps. 6-4 conductor, 3 steps, CSX 3013. 6-4 conductor, 3 steps, 3013.
Far enough. These guys are nice guys. Bring them back 40.